Hey guys, let's make dinner. Okay, I'm gonna be making tilapia. I've already cleaned my tilapia with vinegar, lime, and salt. It's well clean. Then I dry it with paper towel. What I'm gonna do, these are my spice that I'll be using: chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, crushed pepper flakes, black pepper, onion powder, then I'll go ahead and add some soya spice. I just want a flavor of soya spice on it. Adding no seasoning. Mix it all together. I'm going to add a vegetable oil. Okay, there you go. My fish. Same thing, yeah. Flip it over. And we're just going to marinate. Make sure you put inside too. Okay, the other one. I'll cover it and put it in the fridge, let it marinate for about 30 minutes before I transfer it to the oven. Alright guys, I have my plantain. I've already washed the back of the plantain. I'm just going to peel it. Make it bowl with the fish. just gonna use it to rub it around. That's my seasoning. The same seasoning I use for the tilapia, that's what I'm using for the plantain too. Just gonna rub it. And keep it aside. Let's go get the fish. The fish I've been marinating for 30 minutes now. Time to bring it out, okay? Use the fish. Just gonna pick it up. Before I do that, let me grease the rack, okay? Just gonna place the plantain in between. And I'll just put it inside the oven. Alright guys, our fish is ready. And it's so good. Alright guys, we are here enjoying our fish. That is my husband enjoying his home fish, and this is me eating my one too. It was so good, it was so delicious, it was well marinated, and the sauce tastes so good. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoy making this tilapia fish with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And please don't forget to like, comment and share out the video. I love you guys. Bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.